Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to find your IBAN on Swedbank. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, so the quickest and easiest way to do this is open up a web browser, go to Google and then type in Swedbank IBAN calculator and then hit enter. Then from here click on the top search result, so it should be swedbank.ee and IBAN calculator, so click onto that one. Now from here, we're going to be taken to the IBAN calculator page. So if we scroll down here, as it states, the calculator allows you to calculate the IBAN of your Swedbank account. For example, your international bank account number. You can also check whether the entered IBAN is in compliance with the international standard. So to find your IBAN, go ahead and put in your Swedbank account number. Now enter your Swedbank account number, 10 or 12 figures. Make sure that the account number does not contain letters or spaces. In Swedbank, the IBAN is used for current accounts, lower accounts, and deposits. The remaining account types do not require the IBAN format. So put in your Swedbank account number, click IBAN, and that's going to show it. And then from here, you can also do our IBAN check. So put in your IBAN and then click onto check. And this calculator does not confirm the existence or the active status of the account, but calculates the standard compliance IBAN or checks whether the IBAN is in compliance with the standard